Hey guys, it's Leah from Smarten, and today I'm going to go over how to make an account and do the baseline test. Smarten uses AI technology so you can better understand what areas you need to work on and what areas you're pretty strong in already. So first I'm going to fill out my information and create my account, so you can see that here. And it's going to take me straight to the baseline test. The baseline test has 14 questions, one NGN case study, which you can see here, and then 13 multiple choice questions. So I'm going to go ahead and do the NGN case study. And the best part about these case studies is they were designed to look like exactly what you're going to see on test day. Obviously, this is just one question for the baseline assessment, and when you join Smarten, we have a whole collection of NGN case studies to get you ready. The nice part is we also have correct answers, so you can go through, read your answers, and see why you got the right answer or why you didn't. Just for the sake of time, I'm going to power through the multiple choice questions, but there are 13 of them, and you can see that there's a detailed rationale after each, so you can learn as you go. Once you hand in your quiz, you get taken to this screen right here. Our AI technology lets you know what topics you're doing well at and what you maybe need to work on some more. The best part is this is not just one time. This happens every single time you do a quiz, so you really know what your strengths are and where you need to focus your efforts. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and you can now see that all of my subjects have been updated. It's great because right now I'm doing pretty well at a few things, but if I do some more quizzes, it's going to let me know even more personalized information on my strengths and what I need to keep studying. This is one of the many ways Smarten is helping students save time, so request your membership today and start studying smarter.